Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Kia Soul. First, let's establish the basic form. Start by lightly sketching a large, rounded rectangular box for the main body, which will serve as your foundation. Then, add a slightly smaller, curved box on top to define the roofline. Remember to keep your lines light and fluid at this stage, as we'll refine them later. This initial step is crucial for capturing the distinctive boxy, yet friendly silhouette of the Kia Soul. Now, let's add some key body features to bring our drawing to life. Carefully draw the unique front grille, along with the signature headlights and fog lights. Next, sketch the outlines for the side doors and the prominent, almost square-shaped wheel arches. Don't forget to define the front bumper and the lower body cladding, which gives the Kia Soul its rugged appearance. Pay close attention to the angles and curves to maintain accuracy. Moving on, it's time to add the wheels and windows. Draw 4 perfectly circular wheels within the wheel arches you've already established. Next, sketch the outlines for all the windows, including the large windshield and the distinctively shaped side windows. Remember to include smaller details like the door handles and the side mirrors. These elements are essential for giving your Kia Soul a complete and recognizable look. Ensure your circles are as symmetrical as possible. For our final slide, let's refine our drawing and add some finishing touches. Go over all your lines, making them darker and more confident to define the shape clearly. Add intricate details to the wheels, such as spokes and hubcaps, to give them a realistic appearance. Finally, apply some light shading to create depth and dimension, especially under the car and around the wheel wells. This will make your Kia Soul drawing truly pop off the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.